Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into some shocking new details about the Nikon Z90 that could completely redefine what we expect from an APS-C mirrorless camera in 2025. If you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, or content creator, this camera might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's break down everything we know so far, including sensor specs, autofocus, video capabilities, and potential pricing. A true revolution in APS-C photography. Imagine you're on the sidelines of a championship football match. Seconds remain, the star player makes an explosive break, and you only have a fraction of a second to capture the defining moment. Or maybe you're deep in the wild, tracking a majestic eagle as it swoops down for its prey. The Nikon Z90 is designed precisely for moments like these, ensuring that no critical shot is ever missed. Revolutionary sensor technology. Leaked specifications confirm that the Nikon Z90 will feature a newly developed 33-megapixel APS-C sensor. But it's not just about resolution. It's about how light is captured and processed. Nikon has completely overhauled its sensor technology, improving dynamic range, color accuracy, and overall image quality. What does this mean for you? Expect breathtaking highlight retention, deep, noise-free shadows, unmatched detail in every shot. This sensor incorporates an advanced pixel design, maximizing light efficiency to reduce noise and boost clarity. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dim environments, the Z90 ensures balanced exposure, rich tonal gradation, and lifelike colors. Powered by the APSC processor. At the heart of this photographic powerhouse is Nikon's cutting-edge APSC image processor, bringing two game-changing breakthroughs. 1. Unparalleled low-light performance. With a native ISO range extending up to 24,800, the Z90 will deliver crystal-clear images even in near-total darkness. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night, wildlife in low light, or indoor action, expect exceptionally clean images with minimal noise. 2. Insane readout speeds for zero motion distortion. One of the biggest issues in mirrorless cameras has been rolling shutter distortion, but Nikon is fixing that with ultra-fast readout speeds. Whether you're capturing fast-moving athletes or filming high-speed 4K footage, expect seamless performance with zero distortion. Action photography redefined. 20 FPS and massive buffer. For action photographers, the Z90 is set to be a game-changer. With 20 frames per second in RAW mode and an incredible 1000 frame buffer capacity, you'll never miss a moment. Imagine tracking a sprinter at the Olympic finals or capturing a falcon mid-dive. This camera keeps up with every heartbeat of the action. Unmatched video capabilities. The Nikon Z90 isn't just a photography beast. It's also built for serious videographers. Expect uncropped 4K 60 frames per second video. Internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording. Various log profiles for ultimate flexibility. External recording support via HDMI. This places it in direct competition with some of the biggest names in the hybrid camera market. If you're a content creator, vlogger, or filmmaker, the Z90 could be the ultimate all-in-one tool for high-quality production. AI-powered autofocus that predicts movements. Leaked reports suggest the Z90 will feature next-gen autofocus powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just subject tracking. It's movement prediction based on a database of motion patterns from athletes, wildlife, and vehicles. The autofocus system will feature over 500 focus points, ensuring lightning-fast subject recognition, predictive tracking for athletes and fast-moving wildlife, seamless focus transitions for professional video work. For wildlife photographers, imagine an autofocus system that recognizes and anticipates flight patterns of different bird species. This means you can lock onto a bird in motion, even when it changes direction unpredictably. For sports photographers, the AI-driven autofocus anticipates a player's next move, keeping them sharp and in focus throughout intense action. Next-level stabilization. A built-in tripod for handheld shooting. Another major improvement? The Z90 will include a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system rivaling full-frame competitors. Here's what that means for you. Shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds without motion blur. Smooth, stabilized video footage. No gimbal needed. Improved low-light performance for night photography. Whether you're capturing handheld video, street photography, or low-light landscapes, this IBIS system ensures your shots remain sharp and stable. Design and ergonomics. Built for the field. The Z90 isn't just about internal power. It's also designed with usability in mind. Expect 3.69 million DVF for crystal clear subject tracking. 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD. Perfect for vlogging and low/high-angle shots. Dual memory card slots for maximum speed and flexibility. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless wireless transfers and cloud uploads. Who should consider the Nikon Z90? The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be the ultimate hybrid camera for wildlife, sports, and adventure photography. If you've been considering switching brands or upgrading from an older APS-C model, this might be the perfect time. Expected release date and price. According to industry leaks, the Nikon Z90 is expected to be announced between August and September 2025. However, if Nikon prioritizes its full-frame lineup, the release could be pushed later into the year. Estimated price. Sources suggest a price range between $1,500 and $2,000, making it one of the best value APS-C cameras ever released. Final thoughts. Is this the ultimate APS-C camera? Are you excited about the Nikon Z90? Do you think it's the camera that finally bridges the gap between APS-C and full frame? And if you don't want to miss out on the latest Nikon leaks, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with your fellow photographers.